It's about Sobeys. You know Sobeys, Will?
Yeah, I go there all the time.
Yeah, Sobeys. It's a grocery store. People who don't know or aren't local or not near a location, they're trying to get smarter.
Are they?
Yeah, they got a new shopping cart. They call it the Smart Cart. It's not at every location yet, but I'm really excited about it. It is a smart shopping cart. It's not to the same level as the Amazon grab and go. Amazon Go, is that what it's called? I don't know. The Amazon store, you just grab it. It knows how much it costs. It scans your face. It's not to that level. But it seems immediately more practical because you can just roll it out in the pre-existing stores without retrofitting some crazy tech in there. It's all happening in the cart. Oh. What do you think about that cart, Will? You see, you march around with this cart. It has a screen on it. And you just scan your products as you drop them in the cart. And so when you're done, you swipe your card or tap your phone, and you just leave.
Huh.
So there's no lineup. Because that's really where the bottleneck is in the grocery store, is the lineup to pay. You can move around the store pretty well.
Oh, yeah.
It's just lining up to pay is kind of a nightmare, particularly if you're there, it's a hot hour. Everyone's grocery shop after work or something.
Yeah.
You just march out of the store.
So the checkout is on your cart.
It's on your cart. So you got the shopping cart.
Yeah.
Right where you would normally have that small basket.
Uh-huh.
Instead, you got this module with a nice size display. Now, the other thing, Will, if you scan your product, you can get more information about your product, too.
I see.
On the display. And then you scan it in.
What's this thing here? Does that change?
I think it's a scale.
Oh.
Because if you get the fruits and veggies, you got to have the weight. Am I right, Kirk?
Yeah, I think it's that and the barcode.
Oh, yeah, the barcode reader.
And a barcode reader and a scale. So now you got your fruits and veggies. Kirk likes to get the apples going. And so he drops the bag of apples on the thing, and then he hits the button on the left-hand screen, and he's all set. Now, I get it. You're doing a bit more work. It's taking you a little longer as you move about, but you're probably going to make up for it waiting in the line.
Yeah.
And you just sort of feel like you're more in control of your experience because you're not committed. If you get to that line and you change your mind, what are you doing? You're putting things back. Here, you scan, you see the price. You see if there's a deal, probably right away. I know you're a big coupon guy, Will.
Extreme couponing.
I just like this implementation. I want this
cool.
I want this right now at the local one. They're just piloting it right now. I don't know which location, maybe Vancouver. I can't remember which location it was. It says here somewhere in the article, but it's a really limited pilot program at the moment. It's just a couple of locations. They're seeing how it works. Oh, it's actually in Oakville. Sobeys Glen Abbey location in Oakville. If the testing goes smoothly, the company says the carts could eventually be rolled out across the country. And they want to continue to invest in this particular cart to make it a seamless customer experience. So what do you think? You would go for that, Will?
Yes, I would. It seems like there's a screen here, too. Can you load up, like, YouTube or something?
Watch YouTube while you're shopping.
Yeah.
That would make that place a nightmare.
Everybody
would just be everybody would be locked in and stalling at the wrong times. Listen to this. The cart is also equipped with 3 cameras capable of capturing 120 images per second. As the technology improves, the cart will eventually be able to automatically detect what's being placed in it, meaning that the shoppers will no longer have to even scan their items.
Oh, so there's like a weight thing and also
Cameras will be able to identify as you grip the thing and bring it and drop it. I mean, it's not
cool,
bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so we all want this. Everybody here wants it. Mm-hmm. Vin, are you in? Yeah, he says yeah. He's the most in out of anyone. He's shouting and screaming over there. Can't keep it together. He ran out the door again. Second time this episode. He's looking for a shopping cart.